knees. And I can't walk. Whoa! Oh my gosh. This is without a doubt the most snow I've ever seen in my life. This is a lot of snow. That roof up there has like a 3-foot thing of snow on it. It's up to the windows. Yikes. I'm gonna find our car. And if I can... Whoa! There it is. There's our car. One of them. There's our other one. All right, that's enough for me. I'm going back in.